Dear viewers, today I want to have a brief discussion about physics, its scope and physical quantities. Physics is the branch of science which deals with the study of physical world in specific and physical universe in general. Or it can also be defined as it is the study of matter, energy and their mutual relationship. And you know, matter is anything that has mass and occupies space, and it exists in four states, that is solid, liquid, gas and plasma state. On the other hand, energy is the ability in a body to do work. So physics defines and explains the relation between energy and matter. Now, physics models the physical world in the form of theories and quantifies the model world in the form of mathematical descriptions. Physics is the fundamental science for having involvement in all other natural sciences like chemistry, biology, geography, astronomy and geology, etc. Physics provides the basis to all the natural sciences, and it also provides knowledge needed for the advancement in technology to run the engine of the modern world. As we have stated earlier that physics deals with the physical quantities, now we have to know what are physical quantities. Physical quantities are those quantities which are measurable. That is, we can measure and define the physical quantities. For example, the mass of a book can be measured, the length of a pencil can be measured, the time interval spent at school or office can be measured. Physical quantities are divided into two groups. One is the base physical quantities and the second is the derived physical quantities. Base physical quantities are the minimum number of physical quantities which are defined and standardized by a group of scientists, in terms of which we can define or express all the other physical quantities. And the base physical quantities are 7 in number. And these are mass, length, time, electric current, thermodynamic temperature, luminous intensity and amount of substance. And these physical quantities are represented by specific symbol like mass by m, length by l, time by t and so on. And SI system or the system, international system of units, gives a specific unit for the magnitude of these physical quantities. The SI or international system of unit is a specific method of expressing the magnitude of the physical quantities. In SI system, the unit of mass, that is, we measure the mass in kilogram, length in meter, time in second, electric current in ampere, thermodynamic temperature in Kelvin, luminous intensity in candela and amount of substance in mole. So these are the units which are defined by the System International for base physical quantities. These units are called the base units. And the second thing that we have stated that physical quantities may also be derived. By derived physical quantities, we mean those quantities which are obtained by the multiplication and division of the base quantities. For example, speed is a derived quantity because it is obtained by the division of distance over time, where distance and time both are base quantities. In a similar fashion, area is also a derived quantity because it is obtained by the multiplication of a single base quantity with itself. That is, in case of area, we multiply length with length. And other example of the derived quantities are force, volume, density, torque, etc. So this was a brief discussion of the physics, its scope and physical quantities. Thanks for watching the video.